Xiaomi has now officially confirmed that the upcoming Xiaomi 17 Ultra will arrive in a special Leica edition. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra has been officially scheduled for launch on December 25th in China. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra features a centered circular camera island with Leica branding in the middle. Volume buttons are now separate circular keys for a better feel. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra will be offered in 4 colorways: black, white, starry sky, and purple. Xiaomi also revealed that the 17 Ultra will have a flat display and an 8.29mm thick body. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra's camera system is a Leica-engineered 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens that supports a continuous focal range from 75mm to 100mm. Feature the all-new 1-inch Type OmniVision Lighthunter 1050L main sensor 50MP, 50MP OmniVision OV50M or Samsung S5 KJN5 ultra-wide camera, a 50MP OmniVision OV50Me selfie camera, board a 6.85-inch LTPO OLED screen with 2K plus resolution and symmetrical bezels on all sides, bezels which will be thinner than any iPhones. Xiaomi 17 Ultra, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB UFS 4.1 storage, will support 100W wired charging as pricing speculated to start around 6,000 yuan. The Xiaomi 17 and Xiaomi 17 Ultra that Xiaomi offers globally, just like the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and smaller Xiaomi 15 before it, also expected to hit the market in early 2026. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.